Have I got a pen today? Yes, I have. Hooray! Hooray! Have I got a dog to play? No, I haven't. Not today. Have you got a bag so blue? Yes, I have. How about you? Have you got a hat like mine? No, I haven't. That's just fine. Have got, has got, ask and say. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. He, she, it has, sing it, clap it, English class. Has he got a bike to ride? Yes, he has, full of pride. Has he got a car to drive? No, he hasn't, not this time. Has she got a lovely cat? Yes, she has, imagine that. Has she got a snake or wrong? No, she hasn't, not like that. Have got, has got, ask and say. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. He, she, it has, sing it, clap it, English class. Has it got a tail so long? Yes, it has. Sing this song. Has it got some wings to fly? No, it hasn't.